Hey everyone, Brendan here, welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we are doing another harvest. We're doing another. Say hi to YouTube, my friend. Whoops. Say hi to YouTube. Come on, say it. Oh well.
What's up?
Oh, there you go. Alright, so Tim and I are doing we are doing a mission right now. I'm holding a turbine engine, as you see there. And we are heading all the way to, we're heading from Reading this time all the way to, I can't even see. It's that far. I think we're heading to Bakersfield. No, we're heading to Barstow. We're heading to Barstow Rail Export. Alright guys, so we're doing the interior view. I got 16,000 miles on this. I also upgraded my my garage in Fresno, and it's like max right now. Yeah, so we're hauling. Got the oh crap. Well, this is this can't be good. I don't care about traffic offense. Do you have any idea who I am? Gonna come on. Push through. Yes. Bro, where'd you go? Alright, so we gotta.
Yo, I'm over here. I have to get a truck.
No, I need you to escort me. Please?
Yup, I'm coming.
Let's get over here in the lane. Wow, that's a sharp turn. Look at that. Look how sharp that is. Does anyone see him? Oh, no, we can't. Wait a minute. I gotta be far. Oh, alright, I'm on the move. You can catch up to me. You totally could. Oh, we got something. Oh, no. Wait, stop. Please don't let me in. Please don't let me have to go in. Damn it! I gotta pull into the way stop. Are you serious?
Okay.
Who wants to go on a way stop? I was just in there before anyways. Whee! So guys, during today, I had almost crashed. Like, I went off-roading by accident, and I completely almost flipped. I caught myself though. Don't touch! Go. Thank you, move. I'm passing you, I need you out of the way. Here we go. Alright, I'm pulling out. Alright guys, so he's catching up. So I hope you guys like and subscribe on the video.
Okay.
We'll be doing more of this.
Turning onto the freeway right now.
I have something special for you guys. I am working on my own plane in Stormworks. It flies, but I have not tailing it. It spun so fast in the sky, like a propeller. It killed me while I was sitting down in the pilot seat. Yeah, so once I get that plane and tail put in, you guys will see my own plane that should fly. That will be the best part. Oh, that's how cool it will be. It's very fast and powerful, apparently. So full thrust is not a good idea, unless you got a tail in. But yes, barely any controls. And it flies. So, oh, there he goes. Speed up. Idiot. What is that? Oh. Look at all those rest stops in Reading. Look at that. It's like a minute to look at it. Oh, excuse me. Are you serious? Did you guys see that? It turned red as I went, like, as I got in. I mean, as I got to that. Out of the way! Don't merge left, don't merge left, don't merge left, don't you hit me. What the hell? Wait, what the hell? Did you see that gas station? It merged.
Yo, I'm gonna go to the service station. Tell me when you're ready to go.
Yeah, I need a service station too.
Go straight, and then take this right over here. Service station is over here, right here.
I got it, but I got a guy in my blind spot right now and I can't turn. There we go. Alright. Come on. I made this turn. Yeah, I can. Oh, that's good. Don't hit the hedges. Alright. Oh, there's a gas pump. Wait.
Yo, I'm here. I'm ready. I'm ready whenever you are.
10-4, Alright, I repaired. I just need to get gas.
I got a copy.
Nightpacker, what's up, man? Oh my god, I just got 7% trailer damage.
Weird.
Running actually right now. I'm holding I'm holding what's it called, a propeller engine. Well, no, a wind turbine engine. And I gotta repair again. Seriously? 7% damage. Ooh, that's some nice trees.
Are you fed me, homie? Loud and clear, I can hear you loud and clear.
Aiden Clubber is escorting me right now. We're heading to Barstow right now. Oh, now I can see my destination. Turn. Boom. Actually, hang on, let me pull in the gas and let me go backwards. Gotta fill up with some petrol. Cover it in a ditch, cover the petrol.
I'm gonna wait right here until you're ready to go.
And that's fun. I mean, that's funny.
I can help.
Yeah. Alright guys, so there we go. $540, 123 gallons, diesel. Imagine putting jet fuel in a truck.
I need help.
What's wrong?
I'm stuck.
Where the hell are you even at? I don't even see you on the map. Oh no, I see you in Las Vegas. Oh, come on! Aiden Clubber, go to Las Vegas, go help them get unstuck, and teleport back here. Understood? Whoops. Alright, looks like I'm traveling this way. I'm not going back repairing. Thank you, Symmetra, for getting the hell out of the way. He had the right of way, but I did stick to left.
Pass me. I'm escorting you.
I know, but you're also meant to be in front of me to help block off roads. Yeah, wait, turn.
I need help over here.
Hello, B-Dub, welcome to Long Haul. Also, block off that turning lane because I think trucks like to turn on red, especially cop cars and stuff. I don't want to get hit. Thank you. Alright, let's get on the highway. We're gonna make a left.
Hey, where you at?
Reading, right? Well, not in Reading, but we're somewhere next to it. Speed up a little bit, but we're gonna make a left though. I need you to block off the right side of the road, I think. Actually, no, you can just get in front of me, and we can go left. But then I need you to be behind me.
I'll block the right side real quick. Wait, no, we don't have to because it's the red light. But yeah, I'll block it anyways.
Good man. Hey, how about this? I got a challenge for you, Aiden. Use your interior view instead. We both use our interior to make it that difficult.
I only drive in first person.
Oh, sweet, alright. Also, you made a really sharp turn. Are you using a steering wheel?
Yeah, steering wheel, button box, and a little bit of keyboard.
Button boxes are so expensive.
How many knots?
Are you still stuck?
Because I'm not good, but I can't back up.
Do you need someone to come help you?
Yeah, they didn't push gyro and it's stuck. I can't back up.
Aiden, I need you to go teleport to him. You can teleport back to me. Just when you go to Las Vegas, teleport to Sacramento. Alright guys, so we're on the highway right now. We are repairing our load. Look at the rims I got. The rims I got. Look at those cool things. Alright, so we're on the highway. We got
I'm gonna pull in front of you so I can escort.
I need you to go help Night Packer in Las Vegas. Okay, Aiden?
Yo, you know you could just use call whatever it's called, tow truck, and get towed to a service station, right? And then you get unstuck.
Yeah, where is he?
Because I don't want to damage my truck if I come and help you. Because if I come and help you, I have to crash or hit something, and I just don't want to get damaged.
Speed! We got a train. We got to beat it. Speed. Speed.
And people will get back up before then.
The Amtrak.
Well, turn my tires
Amtrak's
off.
fast. Son of a bee! What the hell?
Thread the needle. Thread the needle.
Oh no! Did you just try to do that? Sir, you do not want to mess with me. I play way too damn much Roblox, so I got some skills. Don't do that again. I have to kick you. Where's the Amtrak? Oh, go on. Peeling off. Slow. All five. Look at our speed right now. I'm calling how much is this way? Oh no! Oh, 40,000 pounds. Okay. Right. We got a long way to go. Bars though, crazy. This is
I'm still gonna go over again.
Night Packer. Alright, we don't have red shirt today. I'm kind of sad about that. Yeah. So, give me some feedback down in the comments
Hey,
below.
Joey,
Should I finish the build plane and show it to you guys, or should I keep playing a little more Retro Truck Simulator? I'm level 27 right now. I actually got a third worker today. That's the best part.
Press
No!
press F7, and you'll be able to go to a service station.
Seriously, I hate this. Oh, Alex.
keep broken.
Amber. Welcome to the long haul, Alex. This is illegal right now. Don't do this in real life. You may think it's fun in the game. This is a game. Remember that.
Welcome to the server, Alex.
What's up, Alex? What's up, everyone?
I'm at 87 miles an hour right now. Okay, I need to slow down a little bit.
What up, Alex? How you doing?
Cars are so slow
I'm
nowadays.
doing good. How about you?
Come on. Wait, no, they're going fast.
Are you on your job?
Where are we right now? Oh, we're by the airport. Actually, I'd like a I know.
I am, yes.
Come on.
Are you keep helping?
Aiden, don't ram me, please.
We're gonna start hitting hills soon. You're gonna want to either put the retarder on or use the jake brake.
I don't need no damn retarder. I got my speed. I got the king of the hill Caterpillar engine. That's
Hey,
right.
Alex, you're on TV. I need help.
625 horsepower engine. That thing got a headache.
What do you say?
I see his name tag, but I can't see his whole thing.
Are you asking if I need help? I need help. I need stuff.
I use the game mirror up here, and then I use the truck mirror on the
It's
left.
hard to understand what you're saying.
That's how I roll.
I
So you
said
guys can
stuff.
always join me during the week or the weekend. On the weekend, I'm usually up at like 8 o'clock in the morning through 12 o'clock.
A guy rail.
And then, well, the weekdays, I'm usually up by 5 through 8 o'clock. Anytime between there, but it's random, so my guys work and stuff, I don't know. So you guys can always join me. I'll keep the name the same. If you actually go back to one of my American truck videos, the other one of them, you'll actually see that I put up a specific name. But I don't know if I can't remember if I didn't save one or not.
Hey, Alex, you're on TV. I drop
I'll show you
off.
guys today. I got this engine.
You can do it over here.
Yeah.
I'm still over here. Come take out the charge. The charge ground.
I'm
Pick up
going
over
so
there.
fast. Guardrail.
I'm at the beginning. We're gonna come over here. Come over here.
Alright, then we have to skip this exit and then we gotta get on another one.
Alright.
Hard.
Hey, B, you on TV?
There we go, past him. Easy.
Hey, B, you on TV?
Yes, sir.
I ain't drop you off.
I can't help you. My truck. Wait, hang on. Actually, I think I can, but I'm on a mission, so. I think if I unattach my trailer, I could teleport to you and then teleport back.
No, you can't, because you're still technically on the job.
That's right, I forgot. Alright, hang on, let me try at least. Alright guys, let's see. Will it work? Let's park my trailer somewhere. Aiden, if it doesn't work, you're gonna have to go help him.
Sure.
Yeah, that's probably great. I need to push them in. Down back 3.
Alright, here we go, nothing. Nope, can't. Alex is about to help him actually. So we're still on the mission.
I'm getting all this.
I'm gonna go block the right side of traffic.
We actually have to make a right.
The left side of the road, so you can turn.
Second down, got round 3.
Come on. Okay, we're back on the highway. It's from a road to a highway, and a highway to road to highway. Oh yeah. Speed up, boy.
Hey, yeah, Drover, pick up load.
I'm picking up my load now.
Come on, come down the highway,
Look at all these dials.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Come down the highway.
11, 12, 13, 14.
I'm on the highway. 5.
Yo, look out, you're swerving, you're swerving.
No, I'm not. I'm poking my head out my window. You hit a guardrail. And you see I'm swerving. Also, turn your headlights off. You don't need to. You don't need to have them on. It's daytime. Seriously, who keeps their headlights on their daytime? So they know down the top.
Alex, come down my way.
I'm coming. Give me some time. I'm at a red light.
So, let me give us feedback down in the comment thing below. What
Hey,
should I
put
keep
line,
playing?
trailer.
Stormworks?
Yes,
Go
turn.
back to that. Should I play more American Football later?
Word to
Or should
7.
I play some
Yes,
more
turn right, that's
Roblox?
my
Which
way.
I only made like about 2 videos
Okay.
on. Which I'm kind of sad about. But, I don't know. Who knows? Alright guys, so we're almost there.
I guess make a right on the highway 90.
Alright guys, so we gotta, Ada, can you pull out next to me please so we can block off the road? Well, not block it off, but I might need it next to me.
Yeah, where are you?
On my way. I see you on my map. I'm headed your way.
Adam, I'm cruise controlling at 75 miles an hour. I need you to cruise control that.
Okay.
Oh, no. Oh,
Yeah, you're close to you. Where you at? I don't see you.
let's just drive like this. Whoops. My bad.
Alex, where are you at?
Dude, I'm literally pulling on the highway right now. Calm down.
I'm merging left. You don't have to go over there. You just gotta slow down, maybe. I don't know. But when you get into this lane, don't slow down. Okay?
There you are.
Look, this guy's got a
Going
trailer.
75 right now. We're fine.
Hang on, I'm trying to speed up. Like, I'm slow. Look how much longer my computer.
Yeah, 1 5 bump me back out in the room. Free.
Alrighty.
You
How far?
realize you can just back up and you'll be fine.
You put me on a bumper and back up, give me a free.
Peekaboo. I'm coming.
I'm doing that back up.
Speed up.
We gotta wait to top Jim. On the road. Yeah, block the road, please, would you?
Is this a good speed?
I'm trying to go 75 miles an hour. I'm at 66. Come on. Speed up already. I just had this thing tell me, but what? I've just heard 25 horsepower. Why am I not speeding up? I got the best gearbox. This is the best truck they actually have.
Alex, wake up.
It really is, guys. It really is. The best stuff to have in the game without a mod.
Hey, Alex,
You could look it up.
wake up.
So we gotta hit a bar stop. Such a hard drive.
What the heck are you doing, dude?
Ooh, that's a badass. I can see planes around.
I'm doing a good solid 65.
I'm at 75. I'm at 75. Stay in the left lane until you can get up in front of me. Bro, please stop.
Alex, got a copy.
Yes.
I gotta get a fuel station ASAP.
Well, why are you doing this to me?
Got a copy.
Yes.
Oh, I need a fuel station ASAP. Next. Oh, okay. I gotta get off the highway right here. I gotta get a fuel station ASAP.
Can't get off the highway here. Also, why'd you run me off the road?
What happened? You alright?
Yeah, Aiden keeps driving into the side of my truck. Stop it, Aiden. I get it, he's using his steering wheel, but he's not being good at it. Really?
Hey, Alex, you're on TV.
What the fuck? I'm getting fuel here.
Alex, got a copy?
Yeah, I copy.
Alex has. Don't want them?
Alex left.
Why?
Who knows? Maybe he's going back in.
We're gonna hang Trump back in there. Are you coming, guys? You want to do a run? Pick up a load?
Yeah, once I finish up my load. Also, I gotta check how much time do I have on my video right now. Woo, woo, woo. Look, oh, like, woo, woo, woo.
I got a load for truck down to take him to downtown one run. I got him away. Run.
Yes! I don't need much gas, I need rest.
I got a truck ground. Want to pick up a load? It's in
Alright,
Virginia.
This is gonna be done for this video for today. We're not gonna finish the load today with the video because it's been like 27 minutes. We've had our times. Alright, Aiden, say goodbye to YouTube. Come on.
Aiden out.
Yeah, Aiden out, Brendan out. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Brendan out.